Welcome to the Omonye's space. Today, we will be learning about physical quantities in physics. Do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any of my physics lessons. Just hit the subscribe button and then you get notified whenever a physics lesson has been dropped. So what are physical quantities? Physical quantities are quantities that have numerical magnitude and unit. For example, if the length of a student is 102 centimeters, then 102 is the numerical magnitude, whereas centimeter is the unit. That is the unit of measurement. We have two types of physical quantities. The first is the fundamental quantities, and the second is the derived quantities. Let's look at them one by one. That is, differentiating clearly between fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are also called base quantities. These quantities are independent. That is, they don't rely on other quantities for measurement. They don't rely on other quantities for measurement. Take note of that. They are also called base quantities. So if you see base quantities anywhere, just know they are fundamental quantities. We have 7 of them, 7 fundamental quantities. And these quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity, and electric current. These are the 7 types of fundamental quantities. Now, we will look at fundamental units. What are fundamental units? Fundamental units, also known as base units, are units that do not depend on other units. Fundamental units are the units upon which other units depend on. So clearly we can see the fundamental quantity, the fundamental unit, and the unit abbreviations. So the units of the 7 fundamental quantities listed below are also known as the fundamental units. You can see length, the quantity length, which has the unit meter and the abbreviation m. You can see mass, the unit kilogram, and the unit abbreviation kilogram, and so on. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you could get more updates when physics lessons drop. Thank you for watching and see you next time.